Today I'm going to show you what it's like to work as a biomedical engineer. Follow me.
You're good.
This is the neural lab that I work in. Here are some of the tools and machines that we use to do our research. This is a soldering station, so we connect electrical wires here to make sure that they're secure. And then we use a variety of different tools that I think you would see in people's garages. We use a lot of different adhesives and glues. A lot of them do different things. They're made to bond different materials together in different ways. Some of them conduct electricity, some of them don't. Some of them are cured by the oven, some of them use a UV light to cure them. And then we also have a couple microscopes. This is one of them. And then we also have a much higher power one over here. This one you can use to look at slides that have cells on them. And we will do different tests, and then you can put different stains on the tissues, and so you can use those stains to learn about the tissues. Tissues, it's one of the things that's used to prepare the slides that we put in the microscope. And this is a machine that's used to prepare the solutions, and it's kind of a continual shaker for different solutions. One question that we are trying to answer today has to do with neural implants, and those are tiny things like these. They are inserted into the brain in order to do any type of research about the brain. So if you're trying to learn just how the brain works, or if you're trying to study diseases or conditions like Parkinson's disease or epilepsy or strokes or anything like that, you would need to insert, in most cases, you would need to insert a neural implant into the brain and then record the signals. Here at Actuated Medical, we are trying to learn how to insert neural implants with less damage to the brain. What's one of the strangest things I've done as an engineer? I would say a lot of the testing that we do is done with leftover parts from pigs from a local butcher. So I've spent a lot of time separating out different organs from a pig, like the stomach or the colon or different bones. I'm going to take you to meet some of my coworkers. I do a lot of work with mechanical engineering side of things, but I work on a team with different engineers that study different subjects so that we can all use our varied knowledge to come together and solve a problem. So some of my coworkers studied things like electrical engineering, some of them studied biology or physiology, and then some of them studied machining. This is Kyle. He studied neuroscience.
Hi.
This is our machinist, Drew, and he works here in the machine shop, and he's the one that makes all of the devices that we sell and test for our research and development. This is Mike. He's one of our electrical engineers.